Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add payment method in Hostinger. It's a very quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your account and you might end up at your Edge panel and your home page. This is how it looks like. What you're going to do, you are going to click on this billing. Once you click on that, it will take you right over here, and here you can see I have 2 subscriptions already over here. On the left side of the menu, we have payment methods option over here. Click on this option. After that, you will see something like this, and obviously we have already one payment method over here. That means we can add multiple methods over here. What you can do, just click on add payment method, and you will see that we have 2 options over here. First, PayPal, and the second one is Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. You can choose any one of them, and if you click on this one, you can add your name, your card number, expiry date, and CVC code. Make sure to add all of them and make sure that all of them are correct. Click on add card, and after some time it will be added. That's it. This is all you need to know how to add a payment method in Hostinger. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.